In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background in DaVinci Resolve. We will walk through each click so you can follow along even if this is your first time using the program. First, launch DaVinci Resolve from your desktop, then open your project. When Resolve opens, you will see the project manager with thumbnails or a list of your projects. Double-check you are opening the timeline that actually contains the text or subject you want to sit in front of the background. Once your project loads, you should see your timeline at the bottom and the preview viewer at the top. Now, go to the Edit page at the bottom of the screen. Look along the bottom bar for the icon labeled Edit, usually with a small film strip symbol. Click it once. The Edit page shows your media pool in the top left, the preview in the center, and your tracks in a layered timeline at the bottom. This is where you control how clips and backgrounds stack on top of each other. Next, click the Effects tab in the top left corner of the screen to open the browser panel. If the tab is already active, you will see a vertical list of tools such as Toolbox and OpenFX. If you click it and nothing seems to happen, it usually means the panel is already open and you can move on. The Effects tab is where Resolve keeps items like titles, transitions, and generators that you can drag into the timeline. From there, inside the left sidebar menu, expand Toolbox and click on Generators. You may see a small arrow next to Toolbox. Click it so the category list opens. Then choose Generators. The main panel will update and show a grid or list of generator options. Generators are clips that Resolve creates for you, such as colors and patterns, instead of using external media. Now locate Solid Color from the list. Scroll if you need to. You should see tiles named Solid Color, Gradient, and maybe a few others, each with a small preview. Solid Color is usually near the top and shows a simple colored rectangle. Make sure you choose Solid Color and not a gradient, otherwise your background will not be a single flat shade. Once you have it, drag and drop the Solid Color effect onto the Video 1 track underneath your text or subject. In the timeline, find the track labeled V1 and drop the Solid Color clip there. Your text or subject should be on a higher video track, such as V2, so it appears in front. After you release the mouse, the viewer will update and you will see a solid background behind your existing content. Next, click the Solid Color clip on your timeline to highlight it. When it is selected, the clip will show a colored outline or a brighter border. This tells Resolve which clip you want to adjust. If you accidentally click another clip, the inspector will show options for that instead, so always confirm the correct one is highlighted before changing settings. Finally, open the inspector panel in the top right corner. Click the color box, select your preferred shade from the color wheel, and click OK. The inspector will show controls for the Solid Color generator, including a small color swatch. Click that swatch to open the color wheel. Move the pointer around the wheel to pick a hue, and adjust the brightness slider to get the exact tone you like. As you change it, the viewer updates instantly so you can match your text or brand colors. When you click OK, the chosen color is applied, and your new background is now in place behind your subject. You have now added and customized a solid background in DaVinci Resolve for your clip. If this helped you clean up your video, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Resolve tips.